Long time no garden update. Here is a quick one that I can put in a reel, hopefully. So I have my strawberry patch. The strawberries are still kind of like producing, as you can see. I have peppers all along here. Kind of see the peppers are turning red. Carrot still here. I'm drawing some seeds to plant for next year. And then I have my herb bed. I actually planted some what is it? Garlic. I think I started them too early, but I have garlic in here. Then I have my herb bed and with the peppers completely dead. What is that? Cucumbers are completely dead. My tomatoes finally started going ripe, so I have my tomatoes, like my cherry tomatoes that I started super late, and then I have peppers going red. It's kind of good this year. I think we haven't had like super cold yet, but I have some of my peppers. Like this is atawewe, which is what is it, it's dying, but I finally got some to go red, some of the atawewe to go red, which was super exciting. More peppers. It's like peppers. You can see, I don't know if you can see all the way back there, you can kind of see those ones that are going yellow, and then these ones that are going red. What else? Some atarudo that are going red. Yeah, but I think we've had a couple nights of frost, so things are cold, but at least not too bad. But mostly just peppers that are kind of going red is what I have, or peppers that are getting ripe. And then my patch of garden eggs. Guys, did you actually know that garden eggs like turn ripe? I've been eating the ripe ones and they're not as bitter. Like the flavor is actually much nicer than the one that is like unripe. But yeah, I have my garden eggs here. Most of them are kind of like getting ripe. Yeah, I still have, like you can see, frostbite on some of the veggies, and then I have amanita chew here, which is still climbing. I have my watermelon. I'm growing a lot of melons next year because I was just so impressed. And then the accidental yam is still here, still doing its thing. Ewedu, and I haven't watered my ewedu, but I need to just collect them. And then as you can kind of see, I've already like taking down my veg, and then I'm just gonna put most of my scraps here and put more soil on for next year. So yeah, that is my super quick garden update, guys.